Hello students, welcome to RG Studio. My name is Rahul. I am a teacher. In this video, I will give you information regarding Jawaharlal Institute of Postgraduate Medical Education and Research, Puducherry, JIPMER, Puducherry, and registration for Master of Public Health MPH Entrance Exam 2024 has been started in JIPMER, Puducherry. So in this video, information regarding JIPMER, Puducherry MPH Entrance Exam 2024 entrance exam pattern and syllabus and important dates will be given. And I want to give you information that students who are preparing for various university and institutes, Master of Public Health MPH, Master of Hospital Administration MHA, and other competitive exams for various universities like JIPMER, NIMHANS, IIPH, Pune University, Lucknow University, Common University Entrance Test, UTPG, AIMS Raipur, AIMS Rishikesh, AIMS Jodhpur, PGI, MER, TISS, and for all other university and institutes which conducts MPH, MHA and other competitive exams. And for this, if they want online or offline coaching and want important questions, PDF notes, they can WhatsApp on 9411513974. So for online or offline coaching and important questions, PDF notes, WhatsApp number is 9411513974. And for the preparation of competitive exams, there is a WhatsApp group which link you will get in description box. Kindly subscribe to the channel so that you can get the information for important videos and get the information for various admissions and jobs. Kindly like, share and comment this video. So this is the website for JIPMER and application link for admission to MSc, MPH, PBD, PGD, PGF courses and medical physics internship program 2024. So here prospectus download and registration link, login link. Published date is 22nd of May 2024. And this is the prospectus for Jawaharlal Institute of Postgraduate Medical Education and Research, Puducherry. This is an institution of national importance under the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Government of India. This is the picture of for JIPMER. Admission to MSc, MPH, PBD, PGD, PGF courses and medical physics internship program. Prospectus 2024. Date of entrance examination 7th of July 2024. So entrance exam for Master of Public Health course will be on 7th of July 2024. So in this video, important dates and entrance exam pattern and syllabus for JIPMER, Puducherry, Master of Public Health entrance exam 2024 will be discussed. So here it is important dates. Online registration started from 23rd of May 2024 Thursday. Online registration closes on last date is 20th of June 2024, 26 2024 Thursday, 4:30 p.m. Download of hall ticket from JIPMER website. 29th June 2024 Saturday 11 a.m. to 7th of July 2024 Sunday 8 a.m. Date and time of entrance examination 7th of July 2024 Sunday 9 a.m. to 10:30 a.m. Expected date of publication of merit list on or before 22nd of July 2024 Monday. Details regarding counseling and admission will be announced later. So here various courses are given for MSc, MPH, PGD, PGF courses 2024. So for Master of Public Health, number of seats are 34. This is the eligibility for Master of Public Health MPH course. Eligibility: any applicant with qualification of MBBS degree, BDS, Dental, BE, BTech, any branch, BSc Nursing, Bachelor of Veterinary Sciences, Ayush, Allied Health or Social Sciences of any recognized university, statutory body, should have passed in first attempt in all semester year with at least 50% marks in aggregate. 2 years of completed work experience in public health system is desirable on or before 31st of July 2024. Medical, dental, veterinary Nursing IUs graduates should have registered with their respective state registration council, and total number of seats here are 34. For unreserved 7, OBC 5, SC 3, ST 2, EWS 2, sponsored deputed 15. Duration of the course. The duration of the course is 2 years. There is no stipulatory provisions. During the course of study, there is a provision for sponsored deputed candidates. So now I will give you information regarding its entrance exam pattern and syllabus. And here application fees are given. For general EWS 1500 plus transaction charges is applicable. OBC 1500 plus transaction charges is applicable. SC ST 1200 plus transaction charges is applicable. PWD exempted from application fee. And here name of the examination center. So in total 9 centers are there for entrance exam, that is Bengaluru, Bhubaneswar, Chennai, Hyderabad, Cochin, Kolkata, Mumbai, New Delhi, Puducherry. So here information regarding entrance examination. Entrance examination will be conducted only through a computer based test. So there will be a computer based test, CBT. The examination shall be held on Sunday 7th of July 2024 from 9 am to 10:30 am. So timing of the exam will be from 9 am to 10:30 am. The duration of the examination shall be for 1 hour and 30 minutes. So total 90 minutes exam will be there. No candidates will be permitted to appear in the examination unless he or she holds a valid admit card, hall ticket issued by the institute, and identity proof in original and a photocopy of the same. The examination shall be conducted only in English medium. The entrance examination is common to all and consists of 100 single best response type MCQs having 4 alternatives, and the questions will be asked from concerned subject to the respective courses as detailed below. For Master of Public Health, entrance exam syllabus will be Population Sciences, Biostatics, Epidemiology, Health Economics, National Health Program, and Computer Knowledge and English. So there will be subject. First is Population Sciences, second is Biostatics, third is Epidemiology, fourth is Health Economics, fifth is National Health Program NHP, sixth Computer Knowledge, and seventh English. So this is the syllabus. And for there will be negative marking also, and for correct answer 4 marks will be given, and for incorrect answer, wrong answer, 1 marks will be deducted. So this is the pattern and syllabus for JIPMER Master of Public Health MPH Entrance Exam 2024. Merit ranking, the percentile score for the total marks would be arranged to derive an overall merit list ranking. Merit list would be drawn category wise based on minimum percentile for each course as given below. For category and minimum percentile, unreserved EWS Institute sponsored deputed 50, unreserved PWD 45, SC, ST, OBC and PWD under these categories 40. And declaration of result will be declared tentatively on or before 22nd of July 2024 Monday. This is the information for resolving ties. If 2 or more candidates secure equal percentile in the entrance examination, their inter-se merit shall be determined in the following order. The candidates who has fewer negative marks will be placed higher than that of the other candidate. If a tie still exists, the candidates elder by age will be ranked higher. And information regarding counseling, the details of counseling process will be announced on JIPMER website after the declaration of results. Candidates are advised to periodically visit JIPMER website jipmer.edu.in for further updates. And this is the information regarding course fee. So there is a total 14,910 fees in rupees only. Description is given. Admission fee one time 3,000, tuition fee annual 1200 learning resources, 6000 corpus fund or on academic fee, 60 student information details annual 1500, identity card one time 150, caution deposit one time 3000. So total fees is 14,910 is the total fees for JIPMER Master of Public Health course. Hostel accommodation, students may avail a common hostel accommodation subject to availability. Boys and girls are accommodated in separate hostel. Hostel accommodation is primarily for non-Puducherry candidates. Karaikal, Mahe and Yanman candidates are excluded. Application for accommodation in the hostel will be obtained at the time of admission and assurance by the parent or guardian for the good conduct and behavior of the candidate during his or her stay in the hostel. Allotment of hostel will be first come first serve basis and it will be done by the warden with the approval of the dean academic. The hostel charges are detailed in annexure. So this is the summary of examination. Mode of examination computer based है CBT. Duration of examination 1 hour and 30 minutes. Date of examination 7th of July 2024 Sunday. Number of shifts single shift. Timing of examination 9 AM to 10:30 AM. Location of examination center tentatively 9 centers in India. Language of paper English. Type of examination objective type. Number of questions 1 paper of 100 questions. Type of objective questions multiple choice questions MCQs. Marking scheme correct answer 4 marks. Incorrect answer 1 -1 mark. Unanswered 0 mark. Eligibility scoring percentile unreserved EWS institute and sponsored deputed 50, unreserved PWD 45, SC ST OBC only PWD and these categories 40. Method of determining merit overall merit by percentiles of total scores. Method of resolving ties in the following order. First, less negative marks. If a tie still exists, the candidate elder by age will be ranked higher. So in this video, important information for JIPMER Master of Public Health entrance exams like eligibility criteria, entrance exam pattern and syllabus and other important information has been given, and I want to give you information that students who are preparing for various university and institutes, Master of Public Health MPH, Master of Hospital Administration MHA entrance exams like JIPMER, NIMHANS, IIPH, Pune University, Lucknow University, Common University Entrance Test, CUT PG, AIMS Raipur, AIMS Rishikesh, AIMS Jodhpur, PGI MER, TISS, and for all other university and institutes. And for this, if they want online or offline coaching and want important questions PDF note, they can WhatsApp on 9411513974. So for online or offline coaching and important questions PDF notes, WhatsApp number is 9411513974. And for the preparation of competitive exams, there is a WhatsApp group which link you will get in description box. Kindly subscribe to the channel so that you can get the information for important videos and get the information for various admissions and jobs. Kindly like, share and comment this video. Thanks for watching this video.